React.js is one of the most popular and efficient JavaScript libraries for building modern web applications. If you're already familiar with the basics of React.js and want to take your skills to the next level, this video is for you. In this video, we'll cover some advanced tips and tricks that will help you write efficient and scalable code using React.js. The first tip is to use memoization to optimize your components' rendering process. By memoizing your components' input props and output values, you can prevent unnecessary re-renders and improve performance. The second tip is to use the context API to pass data between components that are not directly connected. This is especially useful for managing global state and large applications. The third tip is to use the new features of React hooks to simplify your components' logic. Hooks like useEffect and useState allow you to manage your component's lifecycle and state in a more declarative way. And finally, the fourth tip is to use the performance tools provided by React to optimize your app's performance. Tools like the Profiler and the DevTools can help you identify performance bottlenecks and improve your app's speed. By using these advanced tips and tricks, you can take your React.js skills to the next level and build more efficient and scalable web applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.